All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Conlyn Pattison,
Mike Nguyen.
and we are your student accelerators for the Saturday 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Sessions. We're going to quickly just introduce who we are, and then we'll also talk about what a deep work session is and what you can expect to get out of it, as well as what you can expect to participate in during these sessions. So really quickly, just to start off, I'll introduce myself. So again, my name is Conlyn. I am now this is my second time being a student accelerator, my second cohort. In terms of my education, am currently an incoming master's student at San Jose State University, while I'll be starting a major in computer software engineering. I got my bachelor's in science at California State Monterey Bay, where I was a teacher's assistant for operating systems and game development for 3 semesters. I transferred to CSUMB from Hartnell College. In terms of what I did, uh, as a part of CTI myself, I was part of the 2023 Target Summer cohort. I participated in both the micro internship as well as the summer open source experience. During my open source experience, I took part in working alongside fellow students on the project Fire Files, where we contributed features for access controls, user invitations, and also drastically improved the security of the application's client. In terms of applications that I'm working on now, I only have really one personal project that I'm working on at the moment, which is a application called Hearth, and that is a community and real-time chat application which uses technologies like Next.js, Express, Tailwind, as well as MongoDB and Postgres. And that's a little bit about me and my background.
Hey everyone, so I'm Mike. This is my first time doing the SA, and I'm from CSU-LB. I will transfer from the El Camino College, major in computer science. And fun fact about me is that I just graduated this semester, and I'm still pretty fresh. Um, some hobbies that I enjoy running and watching camping video on YouTube. I do some programming on my side, but more likely just do some lead code for the interview preps, side projects, and do some open source contributing. So as a student from CTA, I learned about Python, the problem solving, and then on the interview preps. And I did participate on the micro internship where I learned to work as a team for an open source project with help from a mentor. And so I think deep work is really good. Deep work session is a really good place where you can stay focused and study. It feels like a coffee or library shop, but it is online. Okay. Uh, you can go to the next slide.
All right, thanks. So really quickly, I'll introduce what we think of as a deep work session. Our inspiration for that is taken from Cal Newport, so I'll read really quickly something from them. So professional activity performed in a state of distraction-free concentration that push your cognitive capabilities to their limit. These efforts create new value and improve your skill and are hard to replicate. So in the context of our program, deep work sessions, these live sessions are structured support sessions that support being given occasionally from staff, but most often by student accelerators, like Mike and I during these sessions. And we want to use these sessions to help you prepare for industry, but most specifically, whatever your target summer experience is. For some, that's something that's based around research. For others, that's a tech internship. And for others, that's just something not unlike the summer open source experience. In either case, we do advocate that you guys work through Canvas content. That's the Accelerate curriculum. We are here to tutor you through that in whatever means we deem to help you progress through that content. We also help you prepare for your portfolio, mock interviews, as well as reach out to recruiters. Resumes can be worked on during this time. But we're not only doing isolated work, we also want you guys to be able to feel comfortable with collaborating with your peers, doing things like networking, finding opportunities, and peers being your fellow students, as well as, again, your student accelerators who are with a prior notification can absolutely take extra time to help you guys during these sessions as well.
It's awesome. So for the deep work session, we have a few different type of the rooms. that's Alpha. So the first one we have the course room is work as a place where you can do the Canvas coursework, like if you're working on like course 101 or 201 and so on. So that's a good place where you want to stay focused and work on the Canvas courses. And the next room will be the collaboration room where you can do a group study, either with your peers or where we can do a mock interviews, where you can chat about a project and so on. And yeah, so we have those two type of the rooms for the depot section. And then for the next slide. And then also the idea for the depot section is that before you come or attend to a depot section, you want to make sure that you have a clear workspace, which means that you want to make sure that there are not so many things on your tables. Uh, and then also, if you are running on playing with your browser or watching YouTube videos, you want to stop that or close the tab and then have a good, clear mindset. And the reason is that you want to stay focused on your study and stay away from the distraction as much as possible. And back to you, Colin.
All right. So thank you all for listening. That was just a really quick introduction to both ourselves and then what deep work sessions are, what you can expect from them. Again, we are not only available during these deep work sessions. We advocate, we encourage even that you guys reach out on Slack, especially if you wanted to take advantage of things like mock interviews with an essay. Just let us know ahead of time before the meeting, and we'd be absolutely willing to help you guys with that. Please do reach out to any of the essays, not just Mike or myself, on Slack. Also, feel free to check out the channels on Slack to see things like networking, but then also use the appropriate ones for the Canvas content to get the help you need. And that's going to be it. We hope you guys attend the deep work sessions regularly, and we hope to see you all soon. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.